Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change the currency displayed on the Airbnb app. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the Airbnb app open on your iPhone. The process may vary slightly on Android, but the concept remains the same. Now, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, select the second option, which is Payments and Payouts. Once you're in the Payments and Payouts section, don't dive into any sub-menus. Instead, look for the currency display at the top right corner. Tap on it, and you'll be given the option to choose any currency you prefer. Select the currency you want to see the prices in, and once you've made your choice, go back to browsing properties. Now, when you look at the properties, you'll notice the prices are displayed in the currency you just selected. It's that simple. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change the currency on the Airbnb app. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more useful content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated.